Did you know that the Ferris wheel is considered one of the greatest engineering wonders in the world? The snowboard, and even the slippery part on the water slides at amusement parks, was engineered. I'll be talking about 3 different kinds of engineers. I've been researching all kinds of engineers, and I have found and picked 3 that are very interesting to talk about. You can almost bet if there is something with a screw in it, it has been created by an engineer. Engineers are very important, and they are helping improve medical technology. They are helping us as a world become more advanced in society. Today I'll discuss mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and civil engineers. So with that, let's get started with the first type of engineer. One type of engineer is a mechanical engineer. They deal with machines and tools. They implement the law of physics to produce different machinery. Some examples of the machinery that mechanical engineers do or create are machines that you find in factories and businesses and corporations that do all the work that humans do. Mechanical engineering is one of the core fields of technology. The average salary in Arkansas for a mechanical engineer is $78,000. The highest paid mechanical engineering salary jobs are in Idaho Falls, Idaho, which is as high as $129,000. So if you're looking to become a mechanical engineer, you probably want to move there. Sub-branches of mechanical engineers are aerospace engineers, automotive engineers, and vehicle engineers. Now that you have an idea what mechanical engineers are like, let's talk about another important type of engineer. Another type of engineer is an electrical engineer. They design, analyze, test, and maintain and supervise electronic equipment. They implement the behavior of electrons to produce many electronic devices, systems, and components. Some of the basic components of any electronic device are integrated circuits, printed circuit boards, and transistors. Electrical engineers make and test things that are powered by electricity. So things such as power outlets and anything dealing with wiring and electricity is probably made and handled by electrical engineers. Electrical engineers are also involved in the development of communication and broadcast systems. Some are even involved in designing and developing computer hardware. The average salary in Arkansas for an electrical engineer is $83,000. Sub-branches of electrical engineers are computer engineers, optical engineers, and power engineers. I've informed you about mechanical and electrical engineers. Now let's talk about the third important one. Civil engineers are a third type of engineers and are very important to our world. This one, I think, is one of the more key type of engineers because the highways and things we drive across, they build them, put them together, and they maintain them. Their main duties are to plan, design, construct, and maintain the infrastructure built. They are involved with the development of public projects, such as building highways, railway bridges, and tunnels. The average salary in Arkansas for a civil engineer is $81,000, which is still pretty high to me. That's only 1% lower than the national average, so if you want to become a civil engineer, you can probably just stay here in Arkansas. Sub-branches of civil engineers are environmental engineers, structural engineers, and river engineers. Today I've informed you about mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and civil engineers, and what they do that is so important to our world. As you can see, there are many types of engineers, and we need every single one of them to make sure daily life is possible. Engineering is a prestigious field with highly trained people, so if you're looking for a high-paying job with a high paycheck, engineering may be the right career for you. As long as there are needs and things to be built or put together, there will always be engineers ready to assist us.